Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're actually headed over to the shop to do some more work before we head to Moab. Today we're going to be installing the Pypes high clearance exhaust system. So let's get to it. Once we've gotten over to the shop and are in our workspace, we can get everything unboxed. So opening up the package from Pypes, the first thing that I find is a shop banner. Next is a bunch of filler packaging, followed by a pretty cool hat. Next up is the over axle pipe, then the Pro Street muffler. And man, this looks nice and should increase airflow quite a bit. Next is the Race Pro muffler, tailpipe, mid-pipe, stickers, and all the clamps. So with it all laid out, it's time to get the Jeep up on the lift. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing we're going to do is loosen the clamp holding the muffler onto the mid-pipe. With that loose, we're going to remove the muffler hangers with a 13mm wrench to make it a little easier. You'll need an extension to reach the bolts on top. With these bolts removed, we can pull out the muffler. If yours has been through a lot of dirt and water like mine, it might take a little force. You can really see how restrictive that stock muffler is. Okay, with the muffler out, we can now move forward under the Jeep and find where the mid-pipe connects. Loosen the factory clamp using a 13mm wrench. Once loose, you can remove the rest of the stock exhaust. Okay, with everything out, we can compare the two systems. It's easy to see how much lighter and smaller this new pipe setup really is. Now let's remove the rear hangers from the muffler and reinstall those on the Jeep. If you don't have a hanger removal tool, some WD-40 and elbow grease will get it done. Next, we'll mount the mid-pipe to the factory system using the included clamp. With that loosely in place, we can grab the Race Pro muffler, slide on the clamp, and attach it to our mid-pipe using a 15mm wrench. With the Race muffler supported by a hoist, feed the over-axle pipe into place. Next, connect the over-axle pipe to the muffler using the supplied clamp and a 15mm wrench. Now we can grab our Street Pro muffler and our last two clamps. Put it into place and connect the muffler to the over-axle pipe. Now grab the tailpipe. You'll mount this to the muffler hanger and then connect it to the muffler. And then it's just time to tighten everything down. And just like that, we've gained a bunch of clearance. So let's hear what it sounds like. Nice! Sounds great and not too loud at all. So with the pipe system installed, let's compare how it sounds. So here's what it sounds like in the city, climbing some hills. Okay, and this is the stock exhaust getting onto the highway and up to highway speeds. So cruising here at 60 with the stock exhaust, you can basically just hear a bunch of wind noise from the top, and that's about it. You can hear the exhaust if you really step into it, but it's really, really quiet. Okay, so driving through town, you can notice it's slightly louder, but it's actually just like a little bit throatier and almost a little bit less of a drone. So sounds pretty great going through town. Let's get her out on the highway and see what it sounds like at highway speeds. Alright, so cruising at highway speed, really not really noticeable. I hear a slight rumble, but that's about it in addition to what it was before. So that's awesome. No drone on the highway at all. And with that, we're all wrapped. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.